Hi there, this is MD Asif Al Azad. I am a junior full stack developer over 1.5 years of hands-on experience. I am specialized in creating initiative front-end design and the robust backend system and delivering the complete web solution. I enhance the user experience and through the seamless and effective web solutions, and I thrived on continuous learning and staying updated with the industry trend. And in my free time I used to research some initiative idea and try to solution the ideas. Okay, area of expertise. I am comfortable with JavaScript and TypeScript as a programming language, and in front end I am using React.js, Next.js, Redux, HTML, CSS, Tailwind, Bootstrap, SCSS, and some other user interface like Shadcn, and Daisy UI, Ascentry UI, Ascentry UI, Daisy UI, Shadcn, and Material AI, etc. And in backend I am using Node.js, Express.js, yes, custom error handling, jot token, node mailer, Prisma, and some other technologies, etc. And I am using in PostgreSQL, MongoDB, MySQL, Firebase as a database service. And tools and technology, I am use Git and GitHub, the Chrome developer tool, Postman, and for request backend request, Valentina Studio, and some other technology like Adobe XD, Figma for UI design, and etc. Okay, my projects. Recently, I have completed some full stack project. I'm explaining one of them is the full stack paid adoption website, a website for connecting potential adopters with available animals, featuring the successful story. And it is a user-friendly website, and it has features like role-based authentication with jot token, role-based authentication with jot token, and user and admin dashboard, for maintaining the adoptions, creating pets, maintain and update pet adoptions, user profile, etc. And an user can update their profile and change the password, and I am using in TypeScript, Next.js, Redux, jot token, MVC, ESLint, JavaScript, TypeScript, Material UI, and for the backend I used Prisma, Node.js, and Express.js, etc. And another project is through management system, and it is a dashboard streaming inventory management, sales tracking, and history analysis. And this is also a role based authentication system using jot token, and I am and the key features are like users can buy a product, and admin can and notice and approve the product, and the sales admin can see the sales history. And technology are being used, MongoDB. Basically it is a Marni stack based, but I am using TypeScript, Redux, Ajax, MVC, Jot, etc. About my education, I am studying in BSc in Computer Science and Engineering at Bangladesh University of Business and Technology since 2021, and now I am in the last year. Some of my extra curriculum are: I am a quick learner with a strong leadership, communication, collaboration, and time management skill. My training. Recently, I have completed a web development course named Next.js, web development batch 2 provided by Programming Hero. And the duration was 2023 to June 2024, and have ranked in the top 10% of students, and I learned top technologies for full stack web development, and worked on 10 plus full stack project in this course. Finally, I am going to shortly brief about me. Like, I am MD Asif Al Azad, passionate to be a full stack developer, and delivering the comprehensive web solution through the initiative, web designs and development. My experience is spans both front end and back end technology, with a key focus as creating user friendly and scalable application. And that's all about for me as a junior full stack developer. Thank you for your taking time to learn about my journey and skill. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.